Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Today's topic is SDN, eastbound interface and westbound interface. In this video, we will learn how both these interfaces, eastbound interface and westbound interface, works. Let's start with this. So, here is a typical SDN architecture. Consists of three layers: application layer, controller layer, we also call control plane, infrastructure layer, we also call data plane. And in an application layer, application interact through APIs with the SDN controller, and on a control layer, the SDN controller interact with OpenFlow protocol to the network devices. So here, this is the way SDN architecture or SDN works. Okay, in eastbound interface, let's suppose we have two different data centers. One is on a Germany and second one is on a Singapore. And Germany side, we have a SDN environment, and the SDN controller control their devices in a Germany data center. In the same way, in a Singapore, the Singapore SDN controller control their Singapore data center network devices. So here, if we have to connect both SDN controller to each other, then we used eastbound interface to connect to each other. So eastbound interface is used for interconnection between different SDN domains or SDN to SDN communication. So in this way, in multi SDN controller environment, we can connect two or more SDN controller through eastbound interface. In the same way, the application layer using API control both controller, and here there is some protocol or approaches used to connect on an eastbound interface to connect between SDN controller like SDNI protocol or Hyperflow protocol or Onyx protocol we can use to connect more than one SDN controller to each other. So here is in multi SDN controller environment eastbound interface work. Okay, next one is westbound. So in this scenario, let's suppose here is typical SDN network environment, and on the other side we have a traditional network environment. In this case, when we are going to connect to each other, we use westbound interface. So westbound interface is used for interconnection between SDN and a traditional network communication. So here is some protocol or approaches we use to interconnect SDN controller or a traditional network, which is route flow, SDN IP. SDN IP used for BGP connectivity between SDN controller and a router in a traditional network. One other is BTSDN, and many other protocols also available to connect traditional network to a SDN controller. So here is the way when we connect traditional network to SDN network, we use westbound interface connectivity between each other. I hope you learn how eastbound interface and westbound interface works. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends and please subscribe this channel. Thank you.